Dan Lawson here with AB Homes. Today we're going to talk about one of AB Homes' most popular floor plans, the Augusta. AB Homes is a rural custom builder specializing in building custom homes in the rural parts of southeastern Virginia. One of AB Homes' most popular plans. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,402 square foot of just awesomeness. This house has been so popular over the last several years with our clients. When somebody's looking for a 4-bedroom home, has a really nice flow to it, and is affordable, you can't go wrong with the Augusta. When you come in, you've got a nice little open foyer. Over on one side, you have a flex space with a hallway that goes down to a half bath, a coat closet, and it opens up into the living room. When you exit the foyer into the living room, you have the kitchen as well as the breakfast area there. It is completely wide open with a lot of windows that lets in natural light, and the centerpiece of the living room being the fireplace. We put a lot of can lights in with a ceiling fan. Really beautiful area. When you go upstairs, you have a laundry room as well as 3 nice sized bedrooms, and the primary bedroom is what sells this house. This bedroom is a really nice place that you can go to retreat. It's very large, has its own sitting area in it, as well as a nice sized walk-in closet. The bathroom is very nice and spacious. It sports a soaker tub as well as a shower. It has an option where you can have a water closet as well as a linen closet. So there's a lot of really cool features about the Augusta. If you're looking for a home that's affordable, spacious, and has a really nice feel to it, you got to check out the Augusta. The Augusta has a really nice sized front porch, perfect for a couple of rocking chairs and a little table to set your morning coffee on. So the Augusta comes with a 10x16 patio on there standard. A lot of folks decide to upgrade and do a covered porch or a screened in porch, which makes a really nice addition to the home. So if any of this sounds appealing to you, please click the link in the description below. We will get back in touch with you. What are you waiting for? Take the first step, building your dreams in your new home.